Hi scientists, you're about to click next to the blue puzzle piece where you're going to do something that's called 3 article matter is everywhere check. So the blue puzzle piece I use to check in on your learning. I will use the blue puzzle pieces throughout the unit to check to make sure that you're understanding, and then at the end of the unit we will do our final unit test in a blue puzzle piece. So I wanted to give you a preview of what it looks like when you click on an assignment using the blue puzzle piece. So right here, this is a preview. Yours might look slightly different because you're the student and I'm viewing as the teacher. So there are directions. It says the answers to the questions are in the article. You can look back at the article for answers. You have 3 attempts, so you can do it over if you don't like your first score or your second score. You can do this at least 3 times if you'd like. So you'll click Start New Attempt. This up here, this is the title of the assignment. 3 article matter is everywhere check. So that's the title of the assignment. It has nothing to do with the test question. Over on the side, you have a menu that looks like this. These are resources that you can use every single time we do a blue puzzle piece. So the play button, you press play and it'll read to you.
3 article matter is everywhere check. 1 of 3. Everything around us is made of matter. True.
Okay, so you can have the computer read to you if you'd like. Right here, this is a line guide. And so if you'd like to, as you're reading, so that you can hone in on what you're reading. And if you're, whoops, I didn't mean to click, I'm not meaning to click on the answer, trying to get the line guide off. You can use,
Everything around us.
Sorry, I forgot. This is if you want to specifically click on something to read aloud. You can, if you want to come back to it, so you can flag the item. Right here you can eliminate answer choices. So if you were thinking you didn't want this answer choice, I don't know if these are the best for true false. You can eliminate. You can, if you needed to make yourself a note. So 5th graders, you have these tools available to you to help you be successful while you're doing this check. You'll have 3 questions this time. And once you're finished with all 3, you've got quite a few clicks. So I clicked review, then you have to click finish, and then you guys will actually have another click that says submit. It takes 5 minutes or so for the computer to grade your test. So once you have clicked submit, leave it on the screen where it landed, and then after about 5 minutes, click the refresh, or sometimes the reload, some people call it reload, and then your score should pop up.